At Vention, we approach industrial equipment with the same simplicity as Lego. We have created a platform in a category of its own. It's a world where you imagine your machine in the morning and build it in the afternoon.
Working for Vention means being part of an organization that values execution, new ideas, and continuous personal growth.
Every day at Vention, we face new technical challenges, and we need to find solutions that are compatible with different environments, both virtual and physical, from the web browser all the way to the deployment on a customer's shop floor. Vention gets to redefine what it means to be code-free.
The flexibility we get to be the master of our own projects, from the design, the validation, to the deployment of the product, is not something that you see everywhere.
When I started to work on Vention, I never thought I would work on so many technologies and programming languages. From software to hardware, I get to work on all facets of a product launch.
As a passionate developer, I created an open source project, and due to the openness of the company, I was able to use it internally for a new project, which is pretty cool.
Vention is a great place to excel in software, technology, and robotics.
Every 2 weeks, our software team hosts what we call Lunch and Learn, where someone is going to be presenting about a specific topic. What's fun about these? I get to learn new things, but also I get to share my own knowledge.
It's not just about programming, it's about seeing your work come to life.
It starts with an idea or a need, and it ends with an impressive product, and that's satisfying.
Being part of a performance culture like we have here at Vention is pretty incredible. But working with robots, that's even cooler.
Vention is about building a unique hardware and software platform with incredible people.